Cookies can slow down your browser, track your activity across websites, and sometimes cause login or loading problems. I'm going to show you multiple ways to clear cookies in Firefox, whether you're on Windows, Mac, Android, or iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is called the hamburger menu. From the drop-down, click Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you see the section called Cookies and Site Data. Click the Clear Data button. A pop-up window will appear with two checkboxes. Make sure the box next to Cookies and Site Data is checked. You can also check Cached Web Content if you want to clear your cache at the same time, which I recommend. Then click the Clear button. Firefox will now delete all your cookies and site data. This takes just a few seconds. Once it's done, click OK, and you're finished. All cookies from every website have been removed. Maybe you don't want to delete all your cookies, just cookies from certain websites that are causing problems. Firefox lets you do this too. Open Firefox and go to Settings, then Privacy and Security just like before. Scroll to Cookies and Site Data, and this time click the Manage Data button. A new window will open showing you a list of all websites that have stored cookies on your browser. You can see exactly how much data each site is storing. Use the search box at the top to find a specific website, or just scroll through the list. Select the website you want to remove cookies from, then click the Remove Selected button. You can select multiple websites by holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking. Once you've selected all the sites you want, click Remove Selected, then click Save Changes. Now only the cookies from those specific websites have been deleted, and all your other cookies remain intact. If you want maximum privacy, you can set Firefox to automatically delete all cookies every time you close the browser. This means you start fresh every session. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Under Cookies and Site Data, check the box that says Delete Cookies and Site Data when Firefox is closed. Now, whenever you close Firefox completely, all cookies will be automatically deleted. You'll need to log into your accounts again each time you open Firefox, but your privacy will be much better protected. This is especially useful if you share your computer with others or use a public computer. If you use Firefox on your Android phone or tablet, here's how to clear cookies. Open the Firefox app and tap the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner. Tap Settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap Delete Browsing Data. You'll see several checkboxes including cookies, cached images and files, browsing history, and more. Check the box next to Cookies. You can also check other items if you want to delete those too. Then tap the Delete Browsing Data button at the bottom. A pop-up window will appear. Tap Delete to confirm. Firefox will now clear all your cookies on Android. This process takes just a few seconds, and your browser will be much cleaner. For iPhone and iPad users, the process is slightly different. Open the Firefox app and tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Tap Settings. Under the Privacy section, tap Data Management. You'll see toggles for different types of data, including cookies, cache, and offline website data. Make sure the toggle next to Cookies is turned on. Tap Clear Private Data at the bottom. Firefox will ask you to confirm. Tap Clear Private Data again to confirm deletion. Your cookies are now deleted from Firefox on iOS. The app will return to the settings screen and you're done. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. And that's everything you need to know about deleting cookies in Firefox. Whether you're on desktop, Android, or iOS, you now have multiple methods to manage your cookies. Remember, clearing cookies regularly improves privacy and browser performance, but you'll need to log back into your accounts. Choose the method that works best for your situation, whether that's manual deletion, automatic clearing, or blocking third-party cookies entirely. If this guide helped you clean up your Firefox browser, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Firefox tips and tutorials. Drop a comment and let me know how many cookies you deleted. Thanks for watching.